Name of family relations.
પિતા,
Father,
માં,
mother,
બેટી,
daughter,
બેટા,
son,
બહન,
sister,
ભાઈ,
brother,
ચાચા,
uncle,
ચાચી,
auntie,
પતિ,
husband,
પત્ની,
wife,
દાદા,
grandfather,
દાદી,
grandmother,
સસુર,
father-in-law,
સાસ,
mother-in-law,
દામાદ,
son-in-law,
બહુ,
daughter-in-law,
ભતીજા,
nephew,
ભતીજી,
niece,
ચચેરા ભાઈ બહન.
cousin. Thank you.